Hi friends, Shailendra Kant this side. Uh, Today I am going to cover very important secret of you can say home success of home-based business. Uh, there are a lot of secrets, but today I am going to cover secret number one. And trust me, friends, I have already just experimented all those things successfully, all those secrets. Once you have understood, grasped, and start utilizing them in your life, then there is no doubt you will be successful in home-based business. So the first secret today I am going to cover is about paying the price. I wanted to just explain you something regarding nature. See, everything have in our nature have got some price tag. Something if you, that is interactive, you see. Something if you are going to do some, then in turn you will be getting the result. So in normal course it is just face to face, you can say. If you are going to put some good things, then you are going to get good results. For similar is there for if you are going to do bad, then you will be getting bad in return always. Just I have always I say, suppose there is a seed and you have put that seed in inside the soil. You have put water, fertilizer, and you have taken care for that seed when it has become plant also. So you one day you are going to get the fruit. So it is like that only. You have paid the price. What is the price? Price is nothing but you are giving. You have taken care in form of putting the fertilizer, in form of putting the water, taking care of nearby soils and all that. So then you are going to get the result. Similarly is the condition of about your inner growth also. See, all this home-based business are nothing but your inner journey. You are going to learn a lot. It's not always seen, may not be seen on front, but something is going on inside you always when you are in particularly in home-based business. So the first and foremost secret you can say is the pay the price in full and in advance. Then you will get the result. There is no doubt. You might have seen this in your same home. If you are connected at all in any of the MLM or any home-based business, then you might have seen several type of persons. One fellow may be earning less. He must be coming inside and quitting very soon. So this is quite sad, you can say, unfortunate part of this one, because they are not able to grow. They are still seed. So they have to take care for themselves. But unfortunately, because of many things, nobody is taking care either, or they are not getting the correct platform, or they are not getting the company and all good company in which they are going to put their money. So they are failing. But if you have selected the correct platform and you are ready to pay anything, then nobody is going to stop your success. In no case, it is not possible. So my friend, similarly in your MLM, you might have seen the top earners also. See, the same products are there, same compensation plan is there, same opportunity is there. Still one fellow is successful, another one is completely utter failure. This is due to lack of understanding where they should move. See, there are two parts. One thing is mindset, another is skill set. So mindset is of course playing the major role, and you can how you can pay the price. You have to understood everything from your heart, from our understanding how you are going to move, and then you pay the price. Paying the price may be anything, like actually putting the money, putting your sacrificing your fear, and putting your commitment in that one. All those things are there. So that's all about paying the price. Putting your own precious time for this training and all that. These are the prices. So I am going to give you a very important example of my own. See, I was doing, of course, good, but suddenly I found I was not having proper number of lead generations. So I was advised by my top earner of my as a team leader. He advised me that I should put more money to get quick result. Otherwise, there is no issue. In long run, certainly you will get a lot of leads. But I was impatient. I should get more number of leads as early as possible. So he thought, okay, then you put the money. Of course, now there was a fear in my mind that whether if I am going to put the money, then I may lose also. But my friend, one thing I learned, that whenever you are going to put the money, certainly some risk is there. It is always there. This is everywhere the principle of business is there. Everywhere some risk is possible. But if the platform is correct, if the training is correct, right, I would say rather right, then decision making is easy, and you can put money, you will get the result. I have done the same thing. It was huge money, and I get lead generation very fast. At the same time, many numbers, and the result was that I got third position in most lead generation in my leaderboard of this Empower Network. And see, in the competition was very tough. It was 150,000 affiliates are there in Empower Network, but I got third. That is within 1 to 10. Also, I got the third. So this was the confidence giving to me that something I will get very fast, quickly, if I am going to pay the price. Of course, this time price was only the money, but many times it may not be money also. Your time will be there. Your you have to sacrifice your fear. Here I have sacrificed my fear, in fact, truly speaking. So this was the burning example. It is still live. I as soon as I saw this secret number 1, I immediately found, okay, I have utilized this secret number 1, and successfully also. So my friends, this is the message for you, that secret number 1 is the pay the price in full and in advance, then success is yours in home-based business. So thank you very much. This was the message I wanted to give you, and this is Shailendra Kant signing off from this day number, what was the day now? Yeah, day number 7th from 90 days video challenge. Thank you very much. Keep rocking, keep watching me. Bye.